Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how we can change audio pitch on Capcut application. Okay, let's get into it. Here I have created a project on my Capcut mobile application, and as you can see guys that I have imported my audio to this Capcut project. Then we're going to change this audio pitch. First of all, if we want to change the audio pitch, we can click on the audio and click on the audio again. Then we have to put the voice effect to change the audio pitch. You can click on this voice effect, and here there are a couple of voice effects we can use to change the pitch, and I recommend you to use the basic category. You can explore the basic voice effect right here. You can try it by one according to your preferences. You can choose whatever sounds good for your video. But before I try the voice effect, I'm going to show you the original audio. This is the original audio, and I'm going to add a voice effect to this audio. Okay, and I think I'm gonna go with this one. I'm going to reduce the pitch, and I'm going to reduce the timbre as well. And this is the result. Alright guys, and that's how we can change audio pitch on Capcut mobile application. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.